is now added in time was 5:30 p.m. The Constitution and the constitutional morality were accepted by India and its people as the dharma by which the people of India can be supported. Freedom of conscience is not only a fundamental right, but also a basic structure of our Constitution. Our Constitution makers have adopted it not only because it has become part of international human rights, but also because that right was part of Indian spirituality and culture from time immemorial. Loknath Mishra said in the Constituent Assembly, Vedic culture excludes nothing. Every philosophy and culture has its place. Duty towards neighbor was the foundation of faith in India. If we have sinned against the man who loves us, have ever wronged a brother, friend, comrade, the neighbor ever with us, or a stranger, O Varuna, remove from us the trespass, reads Rig Veda 5:85. That duty included non-interference in others' freedom of conscience, and in his book, An Ode to Fraternity, Justice Rohinton Nariman writes, the importance of understanding one's own religion and each other's religions and to practice what is good from all of them is the only way to live amicably and peaceably with each other. Humanity has progressed towards freedom, liberty, and equality. Rather than taking lead in reversing that trend, the greatness of India should be to play a role in halting the haughty march of the powerful. And that is possible only if the current generation understand the undercurrents of the present day communal politics. Deconstruction of the constitutional state and communalization of independent institutions of Indian democracy are too serious to ignore. End of rule of law is anarchy, and no nation can wish for it. Abdication of its duty by the courts is the beginning of it. Of late, we have seen a Chief Justice of India holding court to decide allegations against himself, and some others sitting before deities for divine help to decide serious and highly sensitive legal issues rather than taking recourse to the Constitution and the laws of our country. The latest trend of the higher court's judges preaching for a majoritarian rule in the country, keeping custody of sacks full of cash, etc., portend serious danger for our democracy. Considering the seriousness of the situation, the CBCI calls upon the nation and its people of goodwill, and in particular appeals to the Government of India and all political parties to rise to the occasion and to take appropriate constitutional steps to save the nation and its people.
Thank you, Your Grace. You see, my dear friends, on one hand, someone is openly threatening minorities, telling people to beat the minorities